Imbangela yokushona kaBrian Ndlovu isayindida. Kusolwa ukuthi uphoqo ngamabhokolo esikoleni kuba aphuze ushevu. uNdlovu ushonele emtholampilo ngomsombuluko odlule. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uMatomo Tshulwane uthi amavidiyo aqoshwa ngamakhamera esikole ngosuku lesigameko aveza ubufakazi bokuthi behlutshwa ngamabhokolo kodwa udaba alisaphenywa ngamaphoyisa.
The district has been here from day one. So that is on the level of police. The police are still investigating. We are still waiting for the post-mortem.
Isikole sithi asiwuthathi kancane umbiko yokuthi kunamabhokolo esikoleni kodwa uNdlovu yena ubengakazi abike ukuthi uhloshwa ngamabhokolo.
We can only handle issues when they are reported, and I think what the problem is with bullying sometimes is that children are fearful to report. And when they report to the parents and the parents want to phone the school, they tell the parents, please don't.
Umnyango uthi usujube ithimba elizoluleka abafundi ngokomqondo.
Bullying is a big problem in our schools. We know it across, and that's why it's also high in terms of dealing with it within our cycle. We have a program, comprehensive program around them. That includes them exposing them to prisons and taking them to certain camps so that we can be able to re-engineer their minds.
Isikole sithi soba nenkonzo yokukhumbula uNdlovu ngekudala